Welcome to Propel. It's Martin again. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to enable the PR Business Outcomes dashboard for your clients, giving you deep insights into the real business outcomes resulting from your PR efforts. This feature can be used internally or shared with clients to provide valuable metrics on campaign success. Let's get started. From the Propel homepage, click on your user avatar in the upper right corner and then select Settings. Next, go to the Accounts section. Find and click on the account where you want to enable business outcomes. Now, open the Business Outcomes tab. Here, you'll see an option to integrate with Google Analytics, which powers this dashboard. Each client must give permission from their Google Analytics account. You'll see a unique link for this account. Copy it and send it to your client or the team member who has access to their Google Analytics account. Once your client grants the necessary permissions, the Business Outcomes dashboard will be enabled. You'll then be able to track and measure the business outcomes of your PR campaigns in real time. And remember, if your client needs to change their Google Analytics account in the future, simply send them the link again and have them repeat the process. If you have any questions about the integration, please reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com. Thank you for watching.